The Larson Electronics 15 KVA pad mount transformer offers powerful, reliable, and efficient power distribution in indoor, outdoor, and public locations. The low operating costs, low heat emissions, and low cost of ownership makes this transformer ideal for a wide range of applications and businesses. This transformer features a primary voltage of single-phase 2300 volt delta and a secondary voltage of single-phase 120 volt. An enclosed design caters to installations on concrete pads without protective fencing. The unit has a primary loop feed for single installations and dead front primary connections. This transformer features a 5-position tap changer and copper windings for high strength and thermal and electrical conductivity. The front electrical enclosure carries a NEMA 3R rating. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.